Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to start with the kinetic interpretation of temperature. Basically, this is the topic of physics. So, temperature is measure of the average of kinetic energy of gas molecules. Basically, when the molecules of the gas moves faster, the temperature also rises. This is how I have shown in the form of a diagram. So, in this derivation, firstly we need to take step 1 as pressure for the kinetic energy. When the particles moves faster, it collides with the walls of the container. So it collides with the walls of the container, and the pressure formula is used as P is equal to 1 by 3 mnv square, where P is pressure of gas and m is mass of one molecule, and small n is number of molecules per unit, and V square is average square of volumes. After this, using this formula, we need to apply here PV is equal to nRT, and we solve it further. We move further as P is equal to 1 by 3 mnv square, where we substitute this small n is equal to capital N by V. Capital N by V we have written here, and now we move this V this side, so it becomes PV is equal to 1 by 3 mnv square. Now this PV is equal to nRT is ideal gas formula as I have written there. So nRT is equal to this thing. Then we move further. Now we multiply with 1 by 2 on both sides. Multiply 1 by 2 on both sides. So 1 by 2 on this side and 1 by 2 on this side, so it becomes 3 by 2. So now 3 by 2, and this is in the same form. Now I said here small n is equal to capital N by n, capital N by v. So capital N by v and RT by n is here. So this n moves here on this side, so it becomes in the form of division. So this n gets cancelled, capital N and capital N, and now RT by V. So RT by R and R by V can be written in the form of Kb, Boltzmann constant, and temperature is same here, and is equal to half mv square. So half mv square is kinetic energy formula, and so we have derived it. And since we found that is equal to kinetic energy, so kinetic energy is directly proportional to time as directly proportional to temperature. Sorry guys, I said time, it's temperature. As the temperature rises, the kinetic energy also rises. So I have said that before that the molecules of the gas, as they move faster, the temperature also rises. So if you like the video, do like, hit, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt on any topic, please do comment below. And till then, see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.